Hey guys, it's Steven with Foxtrot Family Law. We've got a question today from someone dealing with DHR and has been dealing with DHR for a while. So their question is on Avvo, that's avvo.com. How can I get my kids back when DHR has a grudge against me? Reading through this, I won't go through the whole paragraph, but it looks like this person has been taking drug tests, been taking their classes, still not getting their kids back, and now DHR, as they're statutorily required to do, is going for termination of parental rights. First off, for this person, if you don't have a lawyer, like you need a lawyer stat right now. If you can't hire one, request an appointed one. If you've had an appointed one and for some reason don't anymore, request another one. Put yourself at the mercy of the court as far as getting a lawyer. That's your first step. Everything else I'm about to talk about starts with getting a child custody lawyer. Second, okay, when I read through this, and here's the thing you'll need to know. When I look through this, you're talking about DHR this, DHR that. All right, man, I hear you. If you were talking about the judge this, the judge that, that's a very different discussion. And that's where you've got to get your head, and that's where you've got to get your case. Because you've been dealing with DHR for so long. I mean, maybe listen, dude, I don't think DHR has a grudge against you. They don't know you, man. They don't know you. And what you've got to worry about is not what DHR says or does, but what you can say, what you can do, what plan you can make, what good work, what preparation you and your lawyer can do to put it in front of the judge. So playing DHR's game hadn't worked for 3 years. I mean, that's what you're telling me. So let's play a different game. Let's get into court. Let's get in front of the judge. Let's present our case. Let's advocate for what we want. Present evidence that supports our case and let the judge do his or her job and make a call. Yes, judges rule against DHR all the time. Not as often as maybe they should, but it happens. Just like in criminal law, the prosecutor, the DA's office, the U.S. attorney, they don't always win. People get acquitted. So take your shot with the judge. If you're not gaining any ground, if you're not progressing, trying to work with and play DHR's game. So anyway, I don't know the details of your case, and that might not be the best thing under the circumstances. I don't know the evidence in your case, and this isn't legal advice. But generally speaking, if you get with your attorney and y'all get a game plan for trying this case, then you'll have some input in the form of a court order from the ultimate decision maker, and that's the juvenile court judge. That's who's going to make the call, whether you like it or not, whether DHR likes it or not. So start focusing on A, what you need to do for yourself and your family on a day-to-day basis, but B, how that's going to be presented to the court in an effective way. And then nowhere on that list is trying to please DHR, because it doesn't sound like it's doing you any good. Anyway, just a thought, talk to your lawyer about it. Don't make any decisions without the advice and advocacy of competent child custody counsel. If this has been helpful, you can certainly like, comment, or subscribe here, or you can even contact our office if we're in your area, or otherwise. We cover most parts of Alabama and would be glad to help you or anyone else that is seeking effective advice and advocacy, that wants to be supported, that wants to be empowered in their child custody case. So thanks for listening, guys. I hope this was helpful. Talk to you next time.